Back to the channel and today's live trading session. My name is Martin and this is Day Trading Futures, where we only trading crude oil and natural gas. Now, without further ado, let's go to the chart and see what is going on with crude oil and natural gas and see how we could potentially profit from the upcoming report as well. Just want to open up quickly the live comments. I'll just go onto the chart so you have a look what is going on whilst I'm indeed opening up the comments section. Okay, do that. Okay, pop out the chat. Okay, excellent. That will do the job for now. Fantastic. So let's quickly go to the chart and see what is going on with crude oil and natural gas as well. Fantastic. So first of all, let's start with natural gas because we got the report. Just wait to see what is going on with crude oil, but we'll have a breakdown of crude oil as well in a minute and see obviously what is happening and how we can profit out of the moves today. Just looking at natural gas because we broke below the moving average, kind of consolidating that. We tried to push up, it didn't work. We just made a lower high right here, and then we potentially looking to either continue selling off or just kind of consolidate the moving average around 81.5 per barrel. Now let's go quickly to natural gas and see what is going on. I'll start first of all with the dailies and see where that is at the moment. Right, so for those who were live with me yesterday, I did mention that potentially natural gas was continue selling off and we kind of testing the moving average around 2.7 per contract, although the moving average at the moment stands to about 2.6 per contract on natural gas. So I'm not going to be surprised if we continue selling off until we meet some support of the moving average onto the daily. And then if you go to the hourly, we'll see the same thing, consistent sell off today throughout the day, although we have made some gains in the morning, but then everything comes crashing past about 12 o'clock, I reckon. So yeah, you can see that onto the 5 minute as well. That massive sell-off. I wasn't part of it, unfortunately, right here, but I'm looking for more opportunities. And Turk, unfortunately, your trade didn't work out as you planned it, probably, because natural gas, it is still selling off on the larger scale of things. If you go on to the minute, we kind of tried to make some reversal right here, but that did not work accordingly, and then we have slid below the 2.7 for contract. Now we've got the the natural gas storage report in about 6 minutes from now, so be closely monitoring in natural gas. But let's see what's going on with crude oil as well. Have a quick breakdown and see. We're kind of consolidating the moving average at the moment. Let's see where is that gonna lead us. But if you go on to the daily, let's see what's going on with crude oil as well. And just so you know, I never really break down the charts myself before I'm trading. I know that's wrong, but I'm solely trading on the minute time frame, and then whatever edge is there, that's what I'm taking up on, rather than just looking into all time frames for the best opportunity. Now I can see obviously crude oil, today is 27th, has kind of met some resistance once again around $82 per barrel. That was a new high, so to speak, for the month. We start the month around $73 per barrel, and we've gone all the way up to $82 per barrel. So great swing trade, and just want to quickly measure up the gains for the month. That is about 12.2% gains on the month. So if you have held crude oil for the last 1 month, I mean throughout June, you would have been a good percentage up, 12%, which obviously for a day trader is not much, but it's 12.6% for like investors, put it that way. Now if you then go to the hourly time frame, you'll see that huge candle kind of almost closed at way opened, so maybe we're in for a little more of a reversal here. But like I said, we are on the upper end of the consolidation, so I'm not going to be surprised if we meet some resistance and then sell off to about the moving average, which stands to about $181 per barrel. So a good short trade probably on the cards for crude oil by the looks of things, but we've been very bullish throughout this month, so I'm not going to be surprised if we continue uptrending with natural gas, with crude oil, so to speak. So that is also on the cards, but I'm going to be dividing myself from trading in this consolidation area right here. Let's see what will happen. We've got the 81.5 and then the $81 per barrel just right here. So it is possible, but let's see how that's gonna go if we'll reverse back to $81 per barrel, because today we have pushed through the 81 with some good volume. And yes, I didn't take advantage of this particular trade. I was on the short side of the sell off here, so I've managed to make some good profits on this particular move, but then I missed out the opportunity to enter right above the $81 per barrel and then just ride it along to about $82 per barrel. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't participate in this particular move, but I'm open to more and more opportunities, so I'll be monitoring crude oil and natural gas throughout the day and see where my opportunities lies, and then we'll see from there. Just looking onto the daily of natural gas, we kind of bottomed right around 2.7 a contract, so I'm not going to be surprised if the report is good. We then push above the moving average and make back some of the sell off, that persistent sell off today, as you can see right around here. So let's see. Day is still young, we still got plenty of time. I mean, we're kind of pushing up at the moment with natural gas. Let's see what the report will be, and we can then trade off that going forward. So let's see. Very bullish at the moment, natural gas by the looks of things. Not surprised. Many bears have probably left the market by now at around 2.7. So let's see if that short squeeze is on, and if it is, we may as well participate, which would be a good thing to do. We'll keep an eye also on a crude oil, potentially for any breaking below, and then consolidating moving average on the way back down to $81 per barrel. We don't know that will happen. We're yet to find out, but let's watch and see. Let's get into the flow of the market, and then the market will tell us what is going on. Simple as that. Don't want to be second guessing myself of what is going on. So let's just keep an eye on the market, and the market will tell us what is happening, right? It's a very simple strategy, which has worked for me. If you don't know what's going on, wait, right? I'll tell it again. If you don't know what's going on with the market, just wait. Wait for a couple of minutes, see what the direction of the market is, and then you can enter. I know. Sometimes you may miss out on the opportunity if you wait, but 9 out of 10, the wait is always a good friend of yours, I suppose, because if you don't wait, then most likely you enter in consolidation, and then you'll be stop loss yourself. So yeah, pointless thing to do. Now back to the charts and see what's going on. Yeah, all right, the report is ready, and it is bullish report. Okay, it's pushing. Just gapped up the moving average here. Also, crude oil is pushing up again. It's approaching 81.70. But let's see what natural gas does. Look at that candle. It's 1.7% up. That is astonishing. You see right here, 1.4, 1.26, 1.3. That is a good percentage. I ain't gonna lie. That is a phenomenal percentage. Let's see if that's going to be enough, obviously, to consolidate the moving average now. I know there's quite a large volume of people trading at the moment natural gas purely because of the report. Let's see how that's going to affect it now. Just looking at crude oil again, we kind of met some resistance at 81.7 for barrel. Let's see if that's going to be strong enough to hold it. We do have a support of 81.50 at the moment, as that is the consolidation area from earlier. As you can see, around the 81.5. So we keep calm with crude oil at the moment. I don't want to be caught out in some sort of a consolidation, because that is the killer of any day trader, consolidations. Unless you're trading support and resistance levels, then that is a dream. Just keep an eye on natural gas, because we just had the report a minute ago. We closed that huge candle. Let's see if that's going to be enough to continue that long run coming. Okay, the moving average is holding crude oil at the moment. And that's what I can tell. I don't know if I'm all long or short at the moment on crude oil. I haven't decided, to be fair. I want now a little consolidation right here. I'll just prep a little bit less of a position, around 6,000 contracts. Let's see if I'll be able to consolidate this 2.7 as a support. I missed probably the opportunity now. We consolidated the moving average right here. 2.709. Let's wait and see. Yeah, that's what I told you. When you don't know what is going on with the market, just wait for direction. If you miss it, you miss it. That's it. I mean, at least you'll be on the better side of things. You missed it, then making a loss because you rushed into a wrong decision, right? So 90% of day trading success, it comes from what? From patience. Very simple. It's a patience game, right? And 10%, only 10% comes from execution and your plan. So if you know that, then 90% of the time you've got to wait. Just wait for your edges to turn up the way you have perceived to be an edge, right? That is very simple. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. I don't like the setup of crude oil, and natural gas hasn't really consolidated the moving average properly, although it has potentially in some certain ways around 2.709, but let's see. It's just report time of natural gas. I mean, look back and say, oh, for fuck's sake, I should have opened up a trade here. But again, and with this huge sell-off today, yesterday as well, we had a sell-off of a natural gas, as you can see on the hourly time frame. We've been rapidly selling off since 24th of June. As you can see, we broke the moving average on the hourly time frame. Oh, that's no, sorry. Where the heck is that? Okay, yeah, there you go. That's the hourly time frame. Yeah, so since the 24th of June, we have broken down. I mean, to be fair with you, we have broken it a long time ago. Let's continue sell off. It's 24th of June. Breaking, consolidation, and then sell off ever since. Let me go back to the 1 minute time frame because I think I'm missing out on something. Whether or not that is true, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look like I have missed on something. Even if I was to go long around here, yeah, it would have been a good-ish gain, not gonna lie. Crude oil is holding above the moving average at the moment, and it's in fact bouncing off the moving average by the looks of things. So let's keep an eye on that as well. Yeah, potentially long positions today rather than short positions for crude oil and natural gas, especially past the report time. But let's see if we can break that resistance of 2.74 as it stands at the moment, and how's that going to look like once we break it. We need a lot of volume to break it, I'm not going to lie. We had some volume here, but then it's back to normal, although a little bit more volume around the report time. Let's see if we'll continue the short. Is it a short squeeze? Yeah, I would say it's a short squeeze potentially on that minute. So let's see if that's going to work, and we'll continue making higher lows and also a higher highs as well. Good indication of continuous pattern. As we speak, crude oil is continue making. Woo, that was good. To be fair. Are we gonna test the highs of the day of 81 or $82 per barrel? Oh, that would have been a good long position, not gonna lie. Is it same with natural gas? Let's have a look and see what is going on with natural gas. Same with crude oil. A bit good. It could have opened up a nice long position around 81.6. But hey ho, moving on to the next edge. Natural gas is pushing. Continue that bullish report we had. Are we gonna break the resistance of 2.741? Or are we gonna be trading back to the moving average? Is the big question. Let's find out. It looks very bullish to me. I mean, out of 2, 4, 6, 7 candles, so that's 7 minutes past the report time. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. So 6 bullish and 2 bearish candles out of all the candles we had so far. We got 25 seconds to the close of this particular candle, and it doesn't look like we're breaking that resistance of 2.74, to be precise with you. So let's see. Interesting. Although it's kind of holding the new low here. Are we gonna have enough volume to reach the 82? It's a big question at the moment. Okay, the interesting thing with natural gas is we continue making higher lows. So that is an uptrend indication, to be fair with you. But we're nowhere near the moving average. That's 2.7 to be able to enter. And I don't really want to be, of course, trading against my own system, right? Hey, that's what I want to avoid. To be fair with you, I just want to see something. Okay, we're testing that resistance of 2.741 again, and we still have made a higher low, so we may be in for a breakout here, so just watch out. Yep, we broke it. 2.742 at the new height, and then also crude oil continue pushing above the 81.80 at the moment. Yeah, we broke it. Would have been a nice trade from here. I just want to see how much did I miss out on. Buy natural gas at limit. Then I was gonna go with about 7,000 contracts. Okay, would have been a nice winning trade, about £200. Not bad. But obviously missed out on this opportunity. Yeah, I didn't believe in the bullish report, I suppose, because that consolidation here would have been the ideal place to enter a trade. Let's see if we continue that upward momentum as well. Okay, we're just above the 2.75 as a round number, so that's good. Let's go, natural gas, let's go. If not me, at least some people are making money out of it. That's good. That is the whole point. And Turk, I hope that's you as well, by the way. If you do watch this later on today or tomorrow, I'm hoping you are still in natural gas because the report was good, like you suggested yesterday. And then obviously everything is going to be flying, right? Let's see. Let's see if we have enough push power to reach about 2.7, no, 2.8 right here. Let's see, enough volume or not. We will find out. Okay, volume is a bit dwindling at the moment, but the looks of things. Same with crude oil, as you can see, half of the volume at the moment. Very interesting indicator. I'm not gonna lie. Just looking at, yeah, trading below volume. Interesting that. Let me stretch them back to auto. So is the low volume easier market to influence? Depends who is influencing the market, I suppose, and how much money they have to put in the market. That's what comes down to. Millions and billions and gazillions, I know. That is a fact. Well done for that suggestions. Have we picked around 275 is the question. Are we reversing back to the moving average on natural gas or continued up bullish momentum? Let's see. Okay, some people taking profits of natural gas and crude oil, hence why we're going slightly down. No major concern when it comes to someone taking profit. There are always going to be some minor drawdowns, but as long as the fundamental of the direction are still there, then nothing should really happen. Cool. I mean, not much else we can do today, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I want to thank you so much for joining today, and for those who's gonna watch later on today. We had a fantastic day trading experience today so far. I've taken on a couple of good edges, to be precise only one. That was a short position with crude oil, and I missed out potentially on long position with natural gas, which I could have banked another £200, but just past that report, like I told you guys yesterday, I don't really fancy too much trading before and after the report, although that brings some good volatile moves. I'm still kind of straying away from the market because sometimes only takes one moment to be taken off your trade and get that stop loss. So I'll be keep on monitoring natural gas, crude oil today, taking up on any opportunities I perceive as an edge of my strategy, and then making some money. That's the goal. I want to thank you for showing up today. I'll be trading live tomorrow, same time, no report. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'll be looking at a little bit more of consolidation day, I reckon. But yeah, well, we are yet to find out that tomorrow. Have a fantastic trading day. Hey, Turk, how's it going? I was just wrapping up, by the way. Cool, let me put back on the screen for you quickly. Are you still long on a natural gas? Is the big question, because obviously we had a huge sell-off yesterday and today as well. But everything is now turning, I suppose, as well. Excellent, that's good. Dirk, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for today, guys. And I'll be live here tomorrow, same time, same place. And guess what? Same tickers, natural gas and crude oil. That's what we specialized on. Have a fantastic, profitable day, and may God bless your trading. Thank you.